Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how to remove object from the video with CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do is just open your video, and here I already have the video that I would like to show to you, and I would like to try remove this flower pot here. So you just need to tap into the clip, and let's find the duplicate clip because we need to duplicate the clip first. After you duplicate it, make the duplicate clip here become an overlay clip by tapping into the overlay. And then the next thing you need to do is just go drag it into the left side so that they will have the same positions. Now the next thing you need to do is just tap into the overlay clip, and please take a look on the spotter feature. Now slide it into the left side until you got the mask tool and just tap it. And now we just need to find the cover. I would like to use the circles one, and you just need to place the circles into the nearest area with the object that you want to cover, and adjusting the size of the circles just to make sure that you got the best color. Now go click this checklist button and drag those clip into the left side so that they will cover the pot here. Make it perfect. Seamlessly. It could be like so tricky, so yeah, adjusting it. So basically that's the way how you can like cover the object from the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial today, and let's meet again into other tutorial.